you're safe. Chad Michaels. This week, the judges were not gagging on your eleganza.
All right, this is the video. First turn on the light. Here. It's bright as hell. Doesn't go into anything until you have to hit it twice. Now it's good. The speeds, low, medium, high. Low. Buzzes terribly. Medium. Even worse. I don't use high. This thing is horrible. It even buzzes when it's not on. You can hear it buzzing as it's going around. It's still going to buzz when it stops. Just stopping it. And there's the buzz.
Alright guys, so this is a fan that we installed. On a scale from 1 to 5, 5 being the easiest to install, it was like a 5. It was easy. My husband and my cousin came and did their thing. So I'm going to turn on the lights and show you the switch and everything, but the blades have a silver side and also a white side. So this is the silver side that we put up, and in my daughter's room is the white side. We put the white side up. So you have two options because our bed and sheets are gray. We chose this one. All right. There's also a extra little, that little tube. There's an extra one of those if you want to level it down a little bit. So it probably would be like right here, but we thought that was too low. So we just kept it normal. Okay. So this is the remote control. It gives you an option to put it on the wall. And this is it. So they give you timers, 1 hour. I guess you could set it to different hours and it'll shut off. This is turn it on, turn it off, and then we're gonna put it on high. So it beeps, and that's why I like it, because it beeps and it shows you, like, you know, when you're choosing different options, it tells it, like, the beeps will tell you, okay, you press something, it's doing something. And this is how it sounds. Very soothing. I like personally the sound of a fan though. It puts me to sleep easier. And then the light can be on with it. Okay. And this is a LED light. This is a normal warm light. You see the difference? So let me stand back. So I'm gonna turn off this light. So you see how warm that one is versus that one is more like not as warm. It's kind of like white. Okay. Oh, guess what? It has two different options. It has the white one and the warm one. That's pretty cool. Didn't know that until just now. But yeah, that has the warm and that has the white. So I'm going to keep it for now warm because it matches the light over here. So anyways, that's my review. I'm going to turn it back off, put it on stop, and turn off the light. And then that's the review. And it takes pretty quickly to shut off. And that's that.